What is going on with China? Hey guys, I'm Christina Thompson for 8012. Stocks are crashing, markets are a roller coaster. What does it all mean? We got you. Welcome to What's the Deal with China 101. Important to start, China's economy is the #2 economy in the world with a GDP of $10.4 trillion. You already know about their 1.3 billion people, I'm sure. Our stock market just historically crashed after China's took a huge plunge. But it's not as simple as, well, what happened that day? Cracks in the Chinese foundation have been growing for years. Industrial production there has been falling since 2010. The 13.5% investment growth this year is the slowest in China since 2000. In the craziest number of all, their debt earlier this summer sat at 207% of the country's GDP. And those 1.3 billion people aren't buying as much in retail as they used to. Retail sales growth is the slowest it's been there in 8 years. Instead, regular investors had been pouring their money into stocks, creating a huge bubble that's burst. And we haven't even touched on the 50 million unsold houses and apartments sitting empty in Chinese cities. The Chinese stock market had already been historically slipping because of all this for 2 months. It just finally blew up on us. Chinese factories are responsible for a quarter of the planet's manufacturing. A report last week found those factories were hitting 6-year lows in productivity. In response, the main Shanghai stock market crashed 4.5%. That led to the Dow Jones' first reactionary plunge. After Shanghai fell another 8.5% a couple days later, the Dow had its biggest drop in a single day ever. There is good news. The 1,000-point drop was fought off within the same day to a still bad but more manageable 588. Big-time US stocks were priced so low, it's encouraging people to buy back in. And China keeps trying to do more to help itself. It's now chopping interest rates at banks and throwing another $23 billion into the market for a little Red Bull effect on its stocks. But with that many problems behind the Great Wall, this story's far from done. Catch you later on 8012.
Thanks for watching 8012. Make sure to like our videos, subscribe for more, and leave a comment. Yeah, I'll definitely be a +1 to your friend's wedding.